Good afternoon, everybody. This is Rocksteady81's Lock Lab. And right here is a master lock number 3. I don't know if you can see that. Here's the key. It does work. God, it's hard to do this through the camera. You see? It works. This is my first time ever picking a lock. Or trying to pick a lock, I should say. I mean, I know it's nothing special, but here's the bitting on the key. And I'm going to be using a Peterson Gem 25 thousandths. This is a torsion bar I'm going to be using. And let's see if I could actually open this on camera. I have practiced this, but I've never actually got it on camera, so I know if it's not on camera, it doesn't count. Any constructive criticism, tips, hints, please feel free to leave it in the comments, as I would love to get better at this.
You shouldn't talk negatively about yourself.
I have single pin picked this before, about 5 or 6 times, but not consistently, so I chalk it up to luck more than anything else. I've also raked it a couple times, but again, nothing consistently. And there you go, open.
I didn't see. Whoa.
And again, this is a master lock number 3, and this is Rocksteady81. Please subscribe.